All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that Kashmir is purely a political issue having no military solution. APAC leadership, in a statement issued in Srinagar, regretted that India was hell-bent upon suppressing the Kashmiris' voice for their right to self-determination by the dint of its military might. Personnel of the Indian Army, paramilitary and the police continued their violent cordon and search operations in Srinagar, Baramulla, Kupwara, Kulgam, Pulwama, Shopian and Islamabad districts of the Kashmir Valley, as well as Poonch, Rajouri, Udhampur and Kathua districts of the Jammu region. Residents of these areas told the media that the troops are harassing the inmates. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today on the 29th anniversary of the destruction of the revered Charar-e-Sharif shrine by the Indian troops termed the incident as a painful legacy of the Indian occupation. It was on this day in 1995 when, besides the shrine, the troops burned to ashes a historic mosque and hundreds of the residential houses. In a scathing attack on the Indian government, Mehbooba Mufti, president of the People's Democratic Party, said that the BJP-led regime was using its power to prevent her party and the National Conference from campaigning in the occupied Kashmir. She said that the BJP was promoting and funding proxy parties in the territory.